Our big weather story has been the heavy rainfall that's unfortunately led to devastating flash flooding across the Concho Valley. This is a photo from this past Friday, July 4th. Viewer Donovan O'Rourke. This is a photo of the Bell Street overpass in San Angelo. You can see the road is just covered in water, and unfortunately some vehicles in the water as well. This is another photo from Donovan O'Rourke of that same overpass in San Angelo, and you can just see the devastation that water caused. So Donovan, thank you for sending in that photo. You can always send us those photos online on social media and to our email addresses as well. Thankfully, no rain across the Fox West Texas viewing area. A little bit of some cloud cover across southwestern portions of the Concho Valley. No flash flood warnings either. Flood watch I was talking about in our 6 p.m. newscast, that was allowed to expire as well. We look to be staying dry overnight tonight. Tuesday morning, just waking up with some cloud cover around. By Tuesday afternoon to the evening hours, we might see some development of some thunderstorms with the peak heating of the day. That should begin to dissipate though as the sun sets. Notice this computer model, this version of Timecast is showing some pinks and purples. That's indicative of potentially some heavy rain. Could potentially dump a good 1 or 2 inches of rain. Now that's not widespread, only 10, maybe 20% of us pick up on rain. But those of us who see rain might see quite a bit. And with our recent rainfall, that could quickly lead to flash flooding. Notice that rainfall to the west of our viewing area, that's from rain moving out of the state of Oklahoma into Texas. It weakens as it moves into Texas, but that's also a rain chance we're keeping our eye on. Wednesday afternoon might see a little bit more development, and notice the movement of those rain showers. They're going from north to south across the area. It's thanks to something called northwest flow, and this is a typical summertime weather pattern for us in west central Texas. You have a ridge of high pressure setting up over New Mexico, over the desert southwest. It has that clockwise flow, and when you're to the east of that high pressure system, you have air moving from northwest to southeast. That can bring disturbances, and that's why we're seeing the rain moving from north to south across the area. And we're also seeing those storms moving out of Oklahoma, potentially for your potentially for your Wednesday morning. I think it's a low chance. I think as it moves from Oklahoma into Texas, likely going to be weakening. No rain right now on our San Angelo sky tracker. That's some great news. Clear skies sitting at 78 degrees on this Monday evening. 81 right now for San Angelo, 83 for you in Snyder. Seeing those winds continuing out of the southeast, continuing to bring us some moisture, although maybe not as humid as it was for your 4th of July holiday weekend. If you plan on golfing tomorrow, keep in mind those storm chances. They're isolated, but those isolated storms could potentially be impactful. Waking up in the low 70s, 84 degrees by the lunch hour. Wind's not too bad either, out of the south about 5 to 10 miles an hour. I'm officially forecasting a high of 91 for your Tuesday in San Angelo, with those south winds at about 5 miles an hour. 92 for your Wednesday. We are warming up for your weekend though. I am forecasting, and the end of the work week, I'm forecasting a high of 96 for your Friday in Abilene. But thankfully we overall look to have a drier and more summer-like weather pattern. You can always find the full forecast online and the latest by following me on social media. Bert?
On